Hey Tony, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and I found you on Angie's list when I was searching for contractors in your area. And when I got on your website, I thought that you guys might be interested in this little video to show you how you can get more of those organic leads. Okay, so here we are on your website. You have a nice, sleek looking website. Um, but your homepage doesn't have anything on it. So Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They rank your website based on content. And so the rule of thumb, Google wants to see your homepage with 1,000 to 1,500 words of content that are going after the local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are searching for the services that you provide, because they may not know the name of your business, but they know the services that they're looking for, and those are the type of words that they're going to be searching for. So it is really important that you build out your content on your website and focus on those buyer intent keywords. It's critical that every single type of service or job that you guys do has its own page. Um, Not just all under exteriors. These should have if they're not their own pages, they should be. It looks like they might be their own pages. Okay, so that's good. So it's a little bit more work for a customer to get to, and you don't have a whole lot of time to capture their attention. So I might restructure that a little bit differently, but as long as you have some good content for each of these pages and you're using the buyer intent keywords, that's the most important thing. You want to follow the rule of thumb of 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. If we look at one of your competitors, Ben Key and Sons, they're a remodeling contractor in St. Paul. They have a nice looking website. You can see their homepage has some content. Okay, these are different projects. So their homepage has a lot more content than you guys do, but they don't have the amount of content that Google likes to see. So in order to beat these guys, you will need to have more content and make sure that you have all your services with good content and keyword strategy. And then you'll need to back that with a little SEO to make sure that you can be found for those keywords. Now, this is a program called Ahrefs, which helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a rating of a 2.2 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website, and that is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have 253 backlinks and a low score, and so what that says is a lot of these backlinks are of poor quality. They either are unrelated to your services, are no follow backlinks, or spam. So it is important that you have high quality backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. And you need to have more backlinks than your top competitors. Um, it also looks like most of your backlinks are being pushed to your home page, which for you is not very advantageous because you don't have any content on your home page to rank. Your backlinks should be tied closely with your keywords. So they need to be scattered throughout your website on each of your service pages as well as your home page. You're currently being indexed for 40 keywords, but you're only seeing one person to your website on average per month. Now, keep in mind that 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So you need to make sure your website is fully optimized so that you can capture that traffic. When we look at your competitor, they have a 26 rating, which is pretty good. And that's because they have 1,700 backlinks. So you're going to have to get more backlinks than these guys and also higher quality backlinks. Um, they have 384 keywords that they're indexed for. And so they're seeing 254 people to their website. So there's a considerable amount of traffic that you are missing out on. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your services, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power. And you need to make sure they are do follow backlinks, not no follow backlinks, because do follows will share the power of those high ranking sites and help you to rank faster. And then we need to remember that these backlinks also need to be tied to your keywords so that you can rank for those keywords and be found for those services. And then the last thing real quick is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your relevant keywords in your service areas. The reason you want to be in the top 3 is because 30% of people come directly to the maps and they're not going to go any further. And so if you're not in the top 3, you're sending all those leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there's several factors, but the biggest one is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Dex, Yellow Pages, Instagram, etc. And so you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips that I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your keywords and service areas. And so you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. But if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.